Changing your payment card on Klarna is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few steps. To start, log in to your Klarna account using your email address and password. Once you are logged in, navigate to the Payments section of your account. In the Payments section, you will see a list of your current payment methods, including any credit or debit cards that you have linked to your account. To change your payment card, click on the Add or Edit Payment Method option. You will then be prompted to enter the details of your new payment card, including the card number, expiration date, and security code. Make sure to enter the details accurately to avoid any issues with your payment. Once you have entered the details of your new payment card, click the Save or Add button to update your payment method. Your new payment card will now be linked to your Klarna account and will be used for any future payments. It is also possible to change your payment card on Klarna through the mobile app. To do this, open the app and navigate to the Payments section. From here, you can add or edit a payment method by clicking on the relevant option and following the same steps as outlined above. It is worth noting that if you have any outstanding payments due on your Klarna account, you may need to update your payment method before the payment is due to avoid any late payment fees. You can do this by navigating to the Payments section of your account and clicking on the payment that is due. From here, you can update your payment method and confirm the payment. This will ensure that the payment is made on time and that you avoid any late payment fees. By following these steps, you can easily change your payment card on Klarna and ensure that your payments are made smoothly and efficiently. Overall, changing your payment card on Klarna is a simple process that can be completed online or through the mobile app. By following the steps outlined above, you can update your payment method and ensure that your payments are made on time.